Welcome to Electrical Automation. Today we are going to learn how to use a manual switch to control our lamp. So as you can see, this switch is one down switch. So we are going to learn how to use one down switch to control one lamp. So this is my lamp with the lamp holder. So this is the connector. So I'm going to connect it now for you to see, and I'm going to show you the circuit diagram as well. So pay attention very attentively, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more updates about our videos. Now this is a switch, and it's the manual switch. So it has these terminals L, L1 and L2. So how do we make our connection done? All we need to do is to connect our L to our L is called common. So we need to connect our light supply to L, and we are going to connect our switch wire to L1 because we want to control it at only one position, meaning that once we keep it at 1, it's going to turn on the lamp, and when we keep it at 2, which is L2, it will turn off the lamp. So let's see the connection, the wiring diagram. So this is our lamp in this instance, and this is our switch. All right, and our switch contains of L, which is our common, and L1 and L2 terminal. So how are we going to connect our switch? Now this is the lamp. How to connect the switch to the lamp? This is the lamp now, and this is our supply from my outlet. So this is the supply from my outlet. So my outlet has neutral and live. So I'm going to connect the neutral direct to the lamp, which is this. So this is my lamp, and this is where the plug is going to my outlet. I'm going to plug it at my outlet. So before I'm plugging it, let me finish the connection first. So this is the neutral. So I'm going to connect the neutral now to my outlet. Let me use my plier. All right, so I'm done with that. So the next thing that we are going to do is to connect. The next thing we are going to do is to connect the live of my outlet to L, which is a common terminal of the switch. So I'm going to connect it down here. So let's do the connection here. So this is the common terminal of the switch. So I'm going to connect direct from my outlet. So this is my outlet coming to L of the switch. So let me slide it and connect it very well. All right, so I'm done with that. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to connect my L1 to the lamp. So this is my lamp. So I'm going to connect L1 to the lamp. So by so doing, we are going to control the switch from L1. That means the making and the breaking of the circuit is going to be from L1, between the L1 and L2 with the L, which is the common terminal of the switch. Now let's do the connection to L1. So this is the wire from my lamp, which is the switch wire. So I'm going to terminate it at L1. So this is my L1 of the switch. So I'm done terminating it at L1 of the switch, as you can see, and the L is being connected well. So the next thing we are going to do is to keep our switch well, to power it and see how the operation will be done. So I'm going to connect it to my outlet. So this is the 8. I'm connecting it to my outlet now. So just watch and see. This is my outlet. All right, I'm done with that. So the next thing we are going to do is to control the lamp. So let's control the lamp together. So I've turned on. I can turn it off from here. So that is just how the lamp is being controlled. So I hope you enjoyed this video very well. If there is any question, feel free to drop it at the comment section. Don't still forget to subscribe to this channel to get more updates about us. So if there is any question, as well, share our video to your loved ones, your friends, your technicians around you. Thank you. So in our next video, we are going to show you how to use 2 switches to control one lamp. Thank you.